My name is Bill Frisch, and I'm the owner of East Rock Breads. We opened this shop last month, so in January of 2024. But before that, we were doing like a bagel, sort of like secret bagel shop on Instagram. So we were just doing that from our apartment, like just down the block from here. So this was always like the end goal, and the bagel shop was kind of like, we realized, me and my partner realized that it was going to take a little bit longer than we thought to renovate this space. It used to be a laundromat. So in February of 2023, we just kind of on a whim tried selling bagels. And it took off. Like the first weekend we did I was like gonna do like 2 or 3 dozen or something, and it ended up being 12 dozen. And I was like, I don't think our home oven can really handle that, but we're gonna see. And after like an all-nighter, it just kind of worked out, and we were like, I think we can keep doing this. So yeah, it was always just like the goal of like raising money for this space. And I was just like super pleased how well it worked out. So we specialize in sourdough breads. So we have like our main bread is like this big sourdough loaf that takes several days just from like starter to dough to baking. It's like almost a 3-day process. And we kind of use that basis for like everything else here. Bagels are also sourdough, multiple day processed. We also do some naturally leavened sweet breads like brioche and kind of sandwich loaves. And then recently we started foraying into the like pastry, croissants, scones, cookies, stuff like that. That's, yeah, like kind of stuff that it gets people in the door, and then hopefully eventually they get kind of attracted by the breads. And yeah, people have been liking both of them, so I'm really pleased. I think a lot of people right now are like, why are you only open 3 days a week? But it really takes like all week just to prepare for those 3 days. So yeah, I think we're getting the system down, so it'll be like easy to kind of introduce people into that and already have like kind of a framework for them to go off of. But also excited about like somebody bringing like something totally new to the space that like obviously one person can't just like, you know, do everything. So it's cool to like involve more people. The thing that's really special about New Haven, I think, is like how close-knit the community is here. Like people want to support these like small businesses and are like super devoted, and other small businesses around here have been really awesome about trying to collaborate and coming in and buying breads, and it's just like really encouraging to see that kind of community here. I love that about it. We're only getting started, and I'm excited to see where everything goes. We have like a really solid foundation right now, I think, especially the last year of doing bagels, and we have like a really awesome customer base, and I'm just excited to share with more people. Like I start to hear people coming in from like different towns to try our breads, and yeah, I just want to keep doing more stuff, more creative things here, and maybe like some events in the space would be fun. Yeah, so just look forward to a bunch of new stuff.